Welcome back to the channel. So it's still hot and dry in South Alabama, but today we have ordered a new tool. We got us an extreme power post driver, and it is heavy. So the reason we got this is because we've got to fence off our millet out here, and we're going to turn the cows in and let them eat what they want of it. But it's so hot and dry here that we can't drive the post in the ground. So we ordered this post driver to help us drive the post down, and we do have some permanent fencing to do, so we're going to be doing a lot of posts, a lot of driving. So I'm getting it ready. Where's the directions? And so I'm getting it ready this afternoon. So in the carrying case it comes in, it comes with a little toolkit, some other kind of little wrench for a bigger post, I guess, and a little tank. There's their instructions. So I'm going to be getting this ready and try to give it a test. I may have to wait till Holly can help me this afternoon actually use it. She may have to lift me up in the bucket to help me get it on the post. So that's what I'm doing this afternoon. So let's get this thing fueled up and ready and see how it works. So I guess that right there is where you feel it. I got to put some oil or grease in this crankcase. It goes in right there. Let's see. There's a little bit in there, but not enough for my liking. So it comes with this little advanced lubricant, and it is like a grease. So let's put that in there. So it's good and tight. I got me a new gas can today. So let me go grab some gas. We'll mix some gas up for it and see what it does. All right, I'm back. And I have 2 bottles of oil, which makes a gallon. Per bottle. 2.6 ounces makes a gallon. So I got a 2-gallon gas jug. And it's Steel brand oil, which I don't like, but that's what we got. It seems to gum up your engines too much. So this is the last 2 bottles I got. I don't know what I'm going to use next, but if you have a preference on what kind of oil you like to use in your 2 strokes, let me know in the comments, and I will definitely check them out. Let's get that mixed up good. Let's take this over to the tractor. There's the choke. Well, I guess that's a control for your throttle. There's the on-off switch. And we're gonna lay them across the front up here. Then we're gonna go lay them out. And then we're gonna go back around and drive them with the new driver. But I'm gonna need, you'll have to, what I'm gonna do is, because this thing's so heavy I can't pick it up and set it up on the post. Wherever we're gonna drive a post at, you'll drive the bucket up to it. I'll put the post in the driver and then I'll stand it up and drive the post. Capiche?
Yep. Okay, let's go get some posts.
Here, I gotta get this phone out of my pocket. Oh, no, that's not a phone. That's a chisel. That would have hurt if it had cut my jewels.
Slow down, mama, why you talk so mean? Good Lord, Nashville, it ain't what it seems. Got nice clothes, late night shows, boogie down at the bar, fiddle tunes and homemade booze, but it always goes too far. Shooting pool, crack a jack, take off now and don't look back, but hey, don't you wanna play? Hold on, sugar, why you look so sad? Come on now, mama, ain't nothing here so bad. You got fast cars, movie stars, party on down the street with Mary Jane, good cocaine, plenty down there to eat. You can double down, throw some dice, you can take off now, don't think twice, but hey, don't you wanna play? Baby, go on. Tell me where you wanna go. But baby, I don't work down there anymore. No, I don't. Alright, mama, sure is getting late. Come on now, mama, don't you hesitate. Grab my hand, well we land. I got the champagne. We can knock it back, get on track, jump on, ride this thing. Double down, roll the dice, take off now.